What's up? Tattoo Dudes with a bike check today. So yeah, let's get right on to it. Got ODI long necks. Odyssey Parins. Premium Whiskey handlebars. Eastern Ringer stem. Demolition fork. Demolition Elite in chrome. Demolition Momentum tires. Chrome Alienation Deviant rim. Some purple spoke nipples laced to a purple Elite. A Haro SD frame 20.5 top tube. Pull the stickers off the side. A GHP race pivotal seat. This is the only one I have. That's not all messed up looking. Some Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. The red, clear, and red. I mean the green, clear, and red ones. Ezra cranks. Shadow Scream sprocket. KMC gold chain. The random white link in it because I snapped it. Eastern, I guess it's Eastern C-Post. I don't know, stock on my other bike. Another Demolition Momentum 2.20 by 2 inches. Rhinolite. Rear wheel. Rear rim. Purple spoke nipples laced to a purple profile Elite hub of chromoly driver and bolt and stuff. And here's a hub sound.
Went out the corner of my eye, saw a pretty little thing approaching me. She said, I never seen a man who looks so all alone. Could you use a little company? If you pay the right price, your evening will be nice, and you can go and send me on my way. I said, you're such a sweet young thing, why you do this to yourself? She looked at me, and this is what she said. Oh, babe.
That was my bike check. Hope you guys enjoyed. I think my bike, it was like 20 something, like a little over 20 pounds. I've never actually weighed it, so I'm just guessing. And yeah, have a good day. Like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever. Thanks.